Okay, so 1939 is the Second World War broke out in 1939, and 1916 All India Home Rule League was formed with Annie Besant and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, done. Choose the correct answers. Who amongst these challenged the British for the first time in 1857? Who challenged them in 1857? In 1857, all of these, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib, all of these fought against them. Who co-founded the newspaper Kesari and Maharatha? Bal Ganga Dhar Tilak, number one. Who formed the Rani Jhansi Bahini? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh? Sarojini Naidu. Match the columns. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Prafulla Chaki, Netaji, Sarojini Naidu. Netaji escaped to Berlin. Sarojini Naidu was the golden threshold. Prafulla Chaki was a revolutionary nationalist. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the Deccan Education Society, and Doctrine Labs is British policy. Okay, the Doctrine Lab is here. The British policy was called the Doctrine Labs. Okay, I'll repeat that again. Doctrine Labs, British policy. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Deccan Education Society. Prafulla Chaki, revolutionary nationalist. Netaji escaped to Berlin. Sarojini Naidu, the golden threshold. What was Rani Lakshmi Bai's real name? Manikarnika. What was the Doctrine Labs? That if you don't have your own son, you will not get your inheritance of your property. What were the names of the two newspapers Bal Gangadhar Tilak founded, Kesari and Maharatha? What was the INN, Indian National Army? You will write few lines, I will give you the answers. Where was Sarojini Naidu educated in England? Sarojini Naidu was educated in England in Girton College and King's College, Cambridge. Okay. King's College London and later at Girton College Cambridge. Okay, so these are the answers. You have to learn it properly and do it. Okay, so we have done. Now I'll discuss with you few things. Like I'm going to repeat some few videos for you. Like Earth, our continent, our Earth we have done. The imaginary lines, latitude and longitude we have done. Movements of the Earth we have done. Temperate zones we have done. Equatorial forest region we have done. We haven't done the hot deserts, we haven't done the temperate zone, we haven't done our environment. Directly we went to communication and modern technologies, national disasters, heritage, coming of the British, freedom struggle of the Gandhian phase. We are proud of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and here we have 5. That's 11 chapters. So half we are done. So we would like to get these things all repeated so that it will be easier for us to understand. I will make sure that I post some homeworks for you and I will get back to you in the next class. I don't want to start another new chapter. I want you all to finish these homeworks first. Okay. I'll post these up for you, and after that in my next class I'll start what do you say, yes, in our next class we'll start religious and social reformers. Wait 1 second. Come to the contents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we have done in our history and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 336. We'll come back to the hot deserts. So we'll have six chapters each. Okay? And that's on page 36. Let's come to 36. Hot deserts. We'll do the hot deserts, their climate, the plant life in the hot deserts. It will be much more easier for us. Animal life, human life, and it will be much more better. Okay? So that will be best. So we'll keep it till there, class 5. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Do these homeworks, please. And I'll keep posting the video homeworks up for you, the question answers. Okay, I'll make sure I post it. But when it's going to come up, you have to keep on checking the website and seeing that the things are posted, because I've got lot of work to complete. I've got other classes, I've got other PDFs also I have to make, and documents which I have to post. So as per I fix a date, I'll post it up, and I'll let you know in the video also that it's posted. Okay, so take care, be home, be safe, and respect your parents and have fun. Bye bye.